Dha tit Getetaga Getetaga. You can also play thin. So there's really two plays. You can play this Getetaga, but actually I think also the Getetaga on this is more of the so you could play Getetaga or Getetaga really. So or dha tit Getetaga Getetaga dha tit Getetaga or dha tit Getetaga Getetaga dha tit Getetaga Getetaga. Could also use some work. I used to be able to play a lot of this stuff better, but you know, new year and all. Okay, so this one dha tit Getetaga Getetaga. It could be Getetaga or Getetaga. Which one do you guys think sounds better, Getetaga or Getetaga? Instead of na, you can also play thin. So that sounds a little bit crowded to me. The Getetaga sounds better, which is. I think it should be practiced both ways. And when you practice this, make the Getetaga a little bit louder.